Hello, it's John here from Fine & Country, and we are in Braunton today on Wrafton Road, right in the centre of the village, just moments walk from all the amenities, parks, schools and all that you need nearby. This is Acre Villa, a beautiful Georgian home dating back to the 1830s. Let's take a look inside. This Georgian residence has been sympathetically modernised throughout by the current owners and now demonstrates true period elegance with modern convenience as well. Part of the owner's redevelopment of this fantastic period home was adapting to the modern demands of life with this impressive kitchen family room with a suite of sofas, feature fireplace and bay window. And to the rear of the property is this really impressive kitchen with granite worktops, plenty of units and bifold doors looking out onto the beautiful gardens. This impressive family home isn't short of space or reception rooms. This is the cosy lounge for those evenings. We've got a wood burner and that bay window with the beautiful shutters as well. And here we are in the formal dining room, which as you can see is a beautiful room with ceiling roses, the rails to match and bifold doors again looking out into the garden. It really is the perfect space to enjoy a formal dinner. The practicality in this house just doesn't stop. We've got a really good sized utility room here, perfect for preparation for those formal meals or entertaining guests. And just behind me is this laundry room as well, leading out into the garden. This is one of my favourite rooms. This is the main bedroom. It's so fantastically naturally lit with the windows to the rear just looking over the open field behind and the gardens. It really is a lovely space to be in. Accompanying that really lovely main bedroom is this fantastic ensuite bathroom with a 4-piece suite, and as you can see it's been designed to accommodate wardrobes, a roll-top bath, large walk-in shower and wash-hand basin as well. Again with a window overlooking these lovely views of the garden. There are 5 bedrooms to this floor in total, all of which are really good doubles, and this is the second bedroom, so if you prefer a southerly aspect and that sun all day long, then this might be the bedroom for you. Again, it's a fantastic room with a featured bay window, fitted wardrobes and an ensuite shower room as well. Completing the accommodation to this fantastic home is this self-contained 2-bedroom apartment within the property. It's got 2 double bedrooms and it's fantastic for dual occupancy or for friends and family that are coming to stay that want their own private space to enjoy the beautiful coastlines here. This comfortable 2-bedroom space to the second floor offers lots of natural light throughout, with doors and windows letting it all pour in. It's got its own self-contained kitchen, bathroom and sun terrace, enjoying aspects over the rolling hills in the distance. Every complete home has a fantastic garden, so come and join me and see this beautiful space which has got mature plants, trees, shrubs and fantastic storage facilities as well. The rear garden really does have something for everyone, with a garden bar area, large patio for outdoor dining and relaxing, mature shrubs and plants in sleepers and large lawn space. The outside stores are perfect for surfboards, bikes and any outdoor activities that you wish to do. To the front of the property you also note there's a garage and driveway parking for several vehicles. So that completes this video tour for Acre Villa. As you can see, it really is a magnificent Georgian residence with modern conveniences and styling throughout. For more information, give us a call on 01271 818 121 and we look forward to showing you around soon.